The bulgogi soaked in this like au jus, like goodness gravy. Oh. I know. I made a lot of eating noises, but it's just that good. It's just, you can't stay quiet eating this. This is, If you love bulgogi and rice cakes, you're gonna love today's recipe. Today we're making 궁중떡볶이. 궁중떡볶이 dates all the way back to our Joseon dynasty. This dish is so gourmet that it was only served at the royal court palace. It is made with delicious bulgogi, slightly stir-fried with rice cakes. It comes out ooey gooey. It just gulped in my mouth. It is so good. And for those of you that do not like spicy 떡볶이, this is it, folks. So good. 오늘의 레시피. 아주 간단하고 정말 맛있는 궁중떡볶이 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영으로 함께 하겠습니다. 너무 맛있어요. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list for today's Bulgogi rice cakes will be listed in the description box below, as well as the Korean product links that you could order online. For our 궁중떡볶이 today, we need about 500 grams of rice cakes. These are called 가래떡, and we're gonna soak them in cold water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, 가래떡 comes in many different shapes. There is no difference in taste whatsoever, so pick the shape that you want to use. We're soaking these because these are super hard from being vacuum sealed. If you're using freshly made 가래떡 or homemade 가래떡, you do not need to soak in cold water. Now, if you want to learn how to make 가래떡 from scratch, I have a recipe that you could follow, which is a simple hack that you can follow at home without pounding the rice cakes to make 가래떡. So check it out. The video will be linked in the description box below. Okay, so here's the deal. For 궁중떡볶이, you must use bulgogi that has been marinating for at least 24 hours to 48 hours because the bulgogi will make or break this dish. So what I usually do is make extra and I freeze my bulgogi into small portions. Like so. So this is perfect for us to make 궁중떡볶이 with, as well as so many other dishes like bulgogi pancakes, bulgogi pajan. Oh, so good. And we need some bulgogi. That's about 250 grams. Now, if you want to learn how to make bulgogi, I have a video recipe that you can follow. Anyone can make delicious bulgogi at home, or you could also buy pre-made bulgogi from your local Korean supermarket. And for our vegetables, we need half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Please use fresh garlic only. Quarter of a medium-sized onion. Just a handful slices of carrots. 2 scallions, cut into about 1 inch in length. Here I have 1.5 cup of hot water, and to this we're gonna add our minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of 소고기 Dashida. This is beef bouillon powder. You could also use 연두 instead, or add half a teaspoon of MSG salt, 미원. And mix this around. And basically this is gonna be our braising liquid for our 궁중떡볶이. Set your heat to high and preheat your frying pan for about a good minute or 2. Okay, so once your frying pan is preheated, I want you to add about less than 1 tablespoon of some oil. Then we're gonna add our bulgogi. And with the heat remaining high, we're just gonna lightly brown our bulgogi. And about a minute later, I want you to check. Ooh, this is what we want. We just want to have that nice golden brown color to your bulgogi. Then just move everything around like that. And you don't need to cook it all the way through at this point. So move the bulgogi to the side. Then we're gonna add our onions. Then we're gonna add our 가래떡, our 떡볶이 rice cakes, to our frying pan. And just move this around. So your heat is still remaining at high. And we're just gonna lightly brown the rest of our bulgogi with our rice cakes. Oh, you see that brown color? Oh, let me just pick one up and show it to you. Look at that. Oh, so good. So I just want you to mix this around for about a good minute. And a minute later, we're gonna add our braising liquid. Ooh, look at that bubbling action. All that bulgogi marinade juice is now being released into our delicious braising liquid. So good. And then we're gonna add our carrot sticks now. And this is almost done. It's easy peasy. So we just wanna cook this until the rice cakes become soft, but not too soft. We still want it to make sure that it remains chewy. So with your heat remaining at high, we're just gonna let this braise for about a minute or two. So it's been about less than 2 minutes and we're gonna turn the heat off completely. This is almost done basically. So we're gonna add our scallions. And basically this is done because the scallions will continue to cook in this super hot 궁중떡볶이 together. And this is easy peasy. Oh, I can't tell you how delicious this is. You see this pool of liquid? It is going to be so good together. Guess what? I actually have a playlist of different kinds of tteokbokkis that you can make at home, including this one pot tteokbokki. Oh, 즉석 tteokbokki. Ooh, so good. And rosé tteokbokki with this creamy, spicy, garlicky sauce. It's like, oh, it's so good. So make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on the playlist tab and select Korean rice cakes tteokbokki recipe playlist, and I will see you there. Quickly transfer this to a plate. And bon appetito! And the only thing to add is some sesame seeds, just a little bit. Ooh la la! This smells so good. Oh, what is there not to like? Bulgogi au jus soaked in this like soft and chewy duck. Oh. If I could share with you, I would, but I can't, so sorry. 쫄깃쫄깃하고 진짜 맛있어요. I just said the rice cake is just so chewy but soft at the same time and so yummy. The bulgogi soaked in this like au jus, like goodness gravy. Oh, you know what? I have to go in with the spoon because you gotta taste the luxurious ooey gooey gravy sauce here. I just gulped in my mouth before I even eat it. Speechless. This is why this is like gourmet to the max, delicious tteokbokki. You know, you just gotta have everything all together. I mean, it's gonna be a big spoonful, but you know, I believe in us. So this has duck and bulgogi and the au jus, delicious gravy au jus, and our vegetables. I know. I made a lot of eating noises, but it's just that good. It's just, you can't stay quiet eating this. This is, you know what's the other best part? They're all good, but it's the velvety au jus. Oh, just with the bulgogi and the vegetables together. 너무 맛있어요. Folks, if you've never had bulgogi tteokbokki, you are missing out in life, my friend. This is the bomb. As always, if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. And make sure to subscribe. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these Korean recipe videos you see right here.